I'm facing the issue related to ads disapproval. Error is destination not working on iOS devices. I have checked everything from your side and or from my side and development end. Um, well, obviously I can't answer that. The only thing I can say to you is there will be some issues on your hosting. If you have checked everything and everything is fine, then appeal to Google that everything is working fine, because sometimes the automated bots sometimes disapprove your ads, and then you need to get a manual review done. Because what happens with Google ads, it's not like once they've checked it, it's set and done. No, they will constantly and regularly check your URL, because Google is all about user experience. When somebody clicks on a user on an ad, they don't want to send the person to a 404 page or a page which is non-existent. That is not a good user experience, and this is why we love Google. When was the last time you clicked on a link and it went to something which wasn't working? Hardly ever, because of the exactly the same reason which I've just mentioned. So yeah, ask for a manual review, and this should be sorted out. No problem.